So this one time I saw this post and something said uyafuneka apha. Yabo. So TWAP updope shishini ne current state of poetry, like the organizations, the company is different, but within the creative scene, especially within poetry, that combined and did the slam competition TWAP, the editing
TWAP.
of poetry.
So are you still with them? Are you still working with them?
The event itself hasn't been active in a while, but I'm still connected to like the people that made it happen. So that was my one and only slam competition. My poetry has never been competitive. I looked at the post and it said Mandi's and I won it. So I was like, mhlambi yayinto ekafuneka ndiyenzile ngelo xesha funeka ndiyenzile. So it wasn't like, okay, people I'm like really affiliated with. It was just a poetry competition I saw and I decided to participate. Or even nokwenzeka kwayo. There was an entry rule about like you need to bring at least 3 people. And I was like, nah, I don't really know anyone. And kwakuphakathi kwenyanga. So ndisebenza esibhedlela. Like I'm a CSSD technician. So there was this doctor in Maziv. So I show him this poster. And then I tell him, can he borrow me 300 rands? Just Lindos. And he says, okay, sends me 900. And I buy these 3 tickets. They on the show, competed. They win. So on the next Monday, we sell 1,000 rand because untumele 900. So 1,000 rand. And looks at me, this guy's like, no, the first time I saw you, I always knew you were special. Then, Nigeria. Thing was in Nigeria. Nandithetha ngesixhosa, ithetha ngesilungu. It's like, no, uthixo uphisane esivulekileyo kakade. And when you spoke to me and asked me, I felt moved. I've never really like borrowed anyone in Gamazi no mas I felt really moved. So ndakunika nje so andifuna unibhatale like it's all good. Uthixo uphisane lesivulekileyo kakade. So zizinto ezincincezo eziye zandakha ndingumuntu like just getting strangers that believe in this thing. So ubela question yakho the current state of poetry is a big movement that has taught or produced a lot of great poets. Johannesburg poetry scene. And Updope Shishini, I think it was a concept store. Updope Shishini. It was the venue.
Ubuntu ne?
Ubudope. Ubudope Shishini. Umnikazi wayo ungumntu othanda umuntu okhulilekasi, I assume. Ungumntu othanda this is from him. Sinpa. Like kukudibanisa isintu nesilungu to create one thing called Sinpa simbona pha. Sinpa like Sinpa enxibe into ethile. So like Updope Shishini, I think it was his concept store. So like Updope Shishini and CSP, current state of poetry combined. I think Updope Shishini, they were providing a venue.
So ayisekho since COVID. Now COVID it has motion means.
But it was post COVID. And it was after COVID. I think kuba befocuse kwizinto ezininzi like zange iqhubeke because kuthi okay in our level yabo but siyanqonela ba ikhula kakhulu like there's a lot of movement kwi poetry scene up eJozi so mhlambi kwakulelo xesha kwakunyanzelekile babe khona la xesha yabo ngela xesha kubekunyanzelekile babe bekhona benze lento babeyenza because ngabantu abasekhona but bafocus kwenye into ngoku so yakha ilanto ba like okay ngexesha ngoku sikuphaba
season into ethile so now if you sit down and look back yeyiphi into just a1 ongafuna uyicelela uxolo kuSinethemba umceleli uxolise kuSinethemba when you look back
not speaking my mind like ngokonsansakhula like I that's the one thing I'd want to go back and not I wouldn't necessarily be apologizing but encourage if I would have like a conversation with Sinethemba that okay even nangoku sometimes I find it hard to express or speak my mind on the necessary moments so that's the one thing engathi ndisondele kulona because zikhona ezinye frustrations I've had to deal with not speaking ngela xesha so ndingathi into sondeleyo engathi
into ntorhalela ukhunjulwa ngayo mhla uthi xa ukukhumbulayo namanyaka
my poetry like that's the one thing I think being immortal is possible like that's my one goal with whatever I am doing with both the poetry and the photograph I want to be immortal ndifuna phila unaphakade abantu behlala enkumbuthi yo man
njengabantu abakhula abafana noMadiba oMandela
like those people are Jong Tupac died in 1996 but
namhlanje sithetha ukuvumbuka nezinye izinto
yabo like sithetha ngaye ngathi umuntu ephila izolo lo even nangoku yabo like I wanna reach that level of immortality that's I think that's my ultimate goal in life.
I want to bring it closer to you. Shakespeare.
So like Difuna one day, like in the near future, or in the far future, when they hear like Xhosa poets like, yo man, do you know about this guy that was called the Shaman Chant? Have you ever heard ulentuza umculo wakhe like or poetry? So I wanna be like that. When the new photographer comes in, the live event photograph, I'm like, yo man, we used to have this guy that was called the Shaman Chant. He used to take dope photos. Okay, I have a different name for photographs and Usanuse Eye Visions.
Oh, Eye Visions. Yes.
Eye Visions. So like Just yesterday we were shooting a music video and this lady Losh was saying like, yo brah, like you are so different as a poet, you're so different as a photographer, how do you do it? I'm like it's not something that I just do in the pillar up home like Ushaman Chant knows when to step back. Usanuse abe lapha yabo. Usanuse I knows when to step back. Shaman Chant abe lapha. They both know when to step back for ukuthetha uSinethemba yabo. So like yonke lento ngumoya ngaphakathi sezibalansa with me always learning how to listen to myself.
Yes, it scares me because when this documentary where they talk about schizophrenic, they have many voices, they have many characters. So now it sounds good, but I think